Alright, so today we're going to be getting into this Elite Trainer box, and this happens to be the Twilight Masquerade. I'm going to go ahead and start lifting this up. Without further ado, this is the actual player's guide. Use this, and on the back side, if you don't know where the promos are or any additional cards that are not in this set, it'll show you here all the cards you'll need to collect if you're going for a master checklist. If not, toss this off to the side and just enjoy opening up booster packs. But this Elite Trainer box does come with this promo card. I never use these guys because I'm into collecting. I'm not into playing the game itself. So this goes right back in. I'll definitely take this out. This promo card looks cool. I wish they do pack it up a little bit better, just because I might get this graded and I'm not sure if this will be dinged up from the start. So that's one of the things. You have these dividers. Also, rarely, never even, actually I've never used them, but sometimes I use these, but I've just been getting so many from opening other Elite Trainer boxes. So I'll put them off to the side, but I won't use them. If you guys want to use this code, go ahead and type it in. You guys can have it. I do hope to get a few illustrations. I'm definitely looking forward to getting some of them. Common cards. This is a really cool set. Since I've been getting back into Pokemon, I don't know much about like the newer sets, but whoa, sweet. This is a cool EX card. All right, well, we started off with an EX card. I'm gonna bag this up and continue on. And we're gonna go a lot faster because we definitely have a ton more cards to go to. As you can see, these guys are totally gonna pile up pretty fast. This is a rare card. Wow. Ooh, I like this trainer a lot. This is cool. And we're gonna get into the holographics. Let's see what we have. Clefable. This thing is sweet. For an uncommon card, you can see the little diamond right there on the bottom. This is a very cool uncommon card, and we have a rare. I do have work in the morning, so I don't want to bore you guys with that, but ooh, what is that? Interesting card. Alright. Oh, sweet. That is a cool card. I'm totally gonna... And this is a rare card. Iron Leaves. Alright, cool. This is Chimicho. That is cool. I really like this one. We do have a lot of packs to open, so we're gonna speed this up. Hopefully you guys are in here for the views of like me opening up the packs. If you guys do want me to slow it down or you want longer videos, please let me know in the comments. But most people definitely want these faster videos. Just going through an illustration or an Elite Trainer box, and let's see what we get out of it. Definitely you want to get a lot of, I don't know, EX cards, a few illustrations, because an Elite Trainer box is pretty expensive. And also it is the beginning of your collection, so you do want to get a few cards to start you off. Sweet. And an EX card. Sweet. This is a double rare. We have 2 more packs. Will we get something it is ultra rare. I don't know until we open up these last 2 packs. All right. Ooh, this Abra sweet. I like to put all my cards in a binder because I do go through the binder often and just check the art. I do enjoy especially this Varum. This one's an okay card. I just didn't understand it because I'm a mechanic. So if Varum is an actual Pokemon, would that change, or did that change the actual Pokemon world by like having like Thomas the Train kind of style characters? I don't know. I mean, I haven't seen the newer shows, so if Varum made the Pokemon world something like Thomas the Train, where cars are like going around and they talk and then they show up in the shop, it'd be kind of weird. But that's what that Varum card actually makes me think of, that they moved away from like bugs and lizards and actually living things like birds into like Thomas the Train style characters. Maybe not, I don't know. I gotta get into the shows a little bit more, but I do like all the cards and I do like what I'm seeing. This common is really cool. I should have got into the Twilight. Ooh, what is this? This got me excited for an actual uncommon card. And uncommon. We're into the holographics. And we have an EX card. This is an ultra rare card. Alright, sweet. I was it's kind of a flop to me. Most definitely did open a lot of packs. And the main cards that we got an ultra rare. We got 2 double rares right here, right off the back. We have this one, and we have an illustration. So this is it with this Elite Trainer box. Definitely the pull rate is pretty low, and you're gonna get this sweet promo.